Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I am outside Target. We're going into Club Target. So this Target, they like blare their music really loud. So I'm probably not even going to be able to monetize this video because it's probably going to be copyrighted because of the Club Target. But I have a huge surprise for you guys. So in last week's video, I had asked you guys to comment like the song that just took you back. And you guys, I got so many songs. So what I did is I created a playlist. So I created a, let's go to my library. I created a subscribers playlist, and there is over 55 songs on here. So there's all sorts. I'm gonna go ahead and share the link to this if you guys want to go ahead and follow the playlist. And you know, I think this is so fun because we all kind of created this together. So I'm gonna have that linked below, and if you commented a song, I put it in the playlist if I could find it. I found most of them, but I've been listening to this playlist all week, and I think it was a really fun thing to get you guys all together to like create something. So let's go into Target and check out the deals. So my first deal is on the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Instant Fix Concealer. So this is priced for $12.49 here at Target, and there is a 40% off Target cartwheel. It's going to take $4.99 off, and currently on coupons.com we have a printable 2 off 1 coupon you could go ahead and print. So now we're down to $5.50. So we started at $12.49 and now we're down to $5.50. If you guys do not know how to use Target Cartwheel, I'll have a video linked below all about how to use your Target Cartwheel. So this is a great cartwheel offer on something that is pretty expensive at a starting point. I think $12.49 for a drugstore concealer is pretty high, but when we have a high value cartwheel to pair with a coupon, then it makes it pretty affordable. There's a nice deal going on Bliss skincare. So when you buy 2 items, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card, and everything needs to be at least $7.99 and up. So this is on Bliss, this is on Olay, Neutrogena skincare. So I highlighted the facial mask deal in my Target matchups. You can go ahead and buy 2 of these guys, buy 2 of them for $25.80, and then you get that $5 Target gift card back, making it $20.80 or $10.40 each, which I think is good because you're starting at $12.99. You can go for something a little bit less expensive. So you can go for one of the cleansers right here. So you could pick up 2 of the Bliss facial cleansers. This is the Pore Patrol, so it's priced for $9.99. So you could buy 2 for $19.98. Then you get that $5 Target gift card back, making them $7.49 each. So that's pretty good. I really love this Makeup Melt Wet Dry Cleanser. If you guys need some recommendations, I have a video reviewing the Bliss skincare line, so if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll have that linked below as well. Take a look at your clearance also. It looks like they're clearancing some of their facial masks. So yeah, I think this is a good deal. You guys, so we have a really nice deal in the healthcare aisle. So when you spend $20 or more in select healthcare, so we have eye care, first aid, pain relief, cold and cough, we have allergy, family planning, digestive health, smoking, like smoke aid to get you quit smoking, nutrition, vitamins, feminine care, health care, foot care, diagnostic test kits. You're going to get $5 Target gift cards. How you get this coupon is you're going to text health to 827438. You can find this coupon in Cartwheel, or you can use the ad coupon. So I think the best deal out of the bunch is on the Poise Active Liners. So my store doesn't have the Poise Active Liners, so just pretend this is it. But they are priced for $4.89 each. So what you could do is buy 5 of them. Yes, 5 for $24.45. You can use 4 of the printable 3 off 1 coupons because there's a limit of 4 of those like coupons. So I'm going to take $12 off, and then there is a $3 coupon you can send to your Target Cartwheel. So you can take another $3 off. So you're going to end up paying $9.45, but then you get a $5 Target gift card back, making it $4.45 for 5 of them, or 89 cents each. So we started at $49, now we're down to 89 cents. This is great. You can do other deals as well. If you're someone who does like keto and you need, I don't know, keto snacks, keto bars, whatever, there's a ton of deals you can do, but I think this is the best bang for your buck. And if you guys have an excess of feminine care, send it to my P.O. box because I'm launching a project August 1st. Just trust me on this, guys. I'm gonna need a ton of feminine care. So my P.O. box is always listed below. If you guys want to send your feminine care, send it to my P.O. box. I promise you it's going to be going to a good cause. So another good deal is on natural beauty products and personal care. So they're on a buy one, get one 25% off. So you can choose from Method body products, you can choose from raw sugar. There's a ton of items you can pick. You just buy one, you get the second 25% off. And here's the little tip. If you want to go ahead and send this sale, go ahead and email Grove Collaborative and they will price adjust your cart with the same stuff that Target's running right now. Plus you're going to get a free gift when you use the link below on your first purchase. So that's a little tip if you want to get an extra gift set for cleaning stuff if you go through Grove Collaborative, because they do price match other sales. So just a tip. Okay, so we have a nice deal in the soda and snack aisle. So when you spend $20 or more in Pepsi or Frito-Lay, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card back. All you need to do is text Pepsi to 827438. So I think the best bang for your buck is definitely on the sodas. So the 12 pack of sodas, they're on sale 2 for $7. So what you could do is buy 6 of them for $21. And we have Target cartwheels for the Pepsi Zero. So there is a 25% off Target cartwheel. We also have a 15% off cartwheel for the Dr. Pepper 12 packs. And you can submit 75 back on 2 to Ibotta for the Pepsi Zero Sugar. And when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get bonus points on everything that's under the Pepsi umbrella, because that is one of the Pepsi brands. And another tip I want to share with you guys, you can actually go to Target Cartwheel on your desktop and you can add things to your list in printed. So if you don't want to use, like, you know, your phone battery when you're in Target, just print your list out right here and then you could just cross everything off. You can also print your barcode too, to where if your phone dies, all you need to do is scan your little barcode thing. So that's just a little tip, just in case you know, your phone dies. You can always have like a hard copy of your list when you come into Target. Okay, you guys, so we have a nice promo running on scrubbing bubbles, Windex. They're on a buy one, get one 20% off. So a deal you can do is on these scrubbing bubbles fresh gel. So these are priced for $3.99 over at my Target. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $7.19, and then we have a printable $1 off 1 coupon you can go ahead and use. So go ahead and use 2 of those. So it makes them $2.59 each when you buy 2 of them, and we started at $3.99, and you're gonna get up to 8 weeks of freshness with these. So this is a really good deal, and this is a fantastic product if you have not tried it out yet. So this is a great deal. So we also have a deal on Windex. So Windex is buy one, get one 20%. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Windex. So they are priced for $3.29. So go ahead and buy 2 of them for $5.29. Now that factors in that 20% discount. And we have printable 75% off 1 coupon. So go ahead and print 2 of these guys. So your final cost is going to be $2.21 after the coupon and sale. So I think that's a really good deal. So I'm going to have my blog post linked below with all of these coupons that I'm mentioning, because this is a fantastic deal, you guys. So yeah, stock up on some Windex and scrubbing bubbles. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the Glad trash bags. So the 50 count of Glad trash bags, they're priced for $10.99 here at Target. We have a $2.50 off 1 printable coupon you guys can go ahead and use. It's on coupons.com. So final cost is $8.49. So that actually beats the Target Up and Up brand this week. So Target Up and Up brand is $8.99. So same count, but you're saving 50 cents when you go the Glad route. So nice. Okay, you guys, so we have another Target cartwheel for the Ragu Simply Pasta. So there is a 20% Target cartwheel on the Ragu Simply. So if you are on a lower sugar diet, this is a really good pasta sauce for you guys to go ahead and try. So we have, let's see, $1.89. Okay. So you're gonna take 37 cents off. So $1.89 minus 37 cents is $1.52. Sorry, just gotta flow in with this music. It just gets me going, but $1.52, not a bad deal, which actually, if you look at the Up and Up brand, is $1.59 regular price. So you're getting a better pasta sauce for less than the house brand of Market Pantry. So that's a really great deal. Have another 50% off Target cartwheel for the vanilla K-Cups, the Market Pantry, the 48 count. So it is French vanilla, and I think there's another one that's included in it as well. It might be the hazelnut one, but this is a repeat deal from last week. So they're priced for they're priced for $15.69. So they come out to $9.36, which is pretty good for some K-Cups. So 48 K-Cups. I can't help myself. This music just like gets me going. $9.36, bottom line. Okay guys, so we have a nice printable coupon for $1.25 off of the Happy Tots organic meal bowls. So they are priced for $2.99. So with that coupon, it comes down to just $1.74. There's also a cartwheel coupon. So again, if you don't know how to use Target Cartwheel, I will have a video explaining how to use it. So I think this is pretty good for some little like toddler meals. So also in the baby section, I'm actually seeing some clearance on some Gerber like snack foods. So the Gerber Pickups diced apples. So these are priced for $1.02. So go ahead and pick up 4 of them for $4.08. And then there is a printable $1-off-1 coupon. So you potentially could get 4 of them for $3.08, which I think is a really good deal for like some little toddler like meals. So I'm gonna pick these up for Mr. Tanner. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Target in-store video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Follow my blog, GinaSchweppe.com, and follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday. Talk to you later. Bye.